So this is room 775 at the Key Bridge Marriott in Washington, D.C. So you walk in, this is a corner room, and it's a partial view, they called it. So we've got the TV and desk. Is it really a desk or is it a, oh, it's a mini fridge. All right, and then these are actual drawers, okay. Desk here. And then little coffee service station here. And of course, all of the outlets that Marriott has. Then this is the view. You can see, well, over there, the Washington Monument, and then a little bit of the Potomac River and the Key Bridge, I suppose. And then a little bit of the downtown view as well. And go over here to this side too. So a little bit of the city view. So this room is a queen bed, and there's a sitting chair too, and the bed doesn't have a top sheet, but there is an outlet next to the bed, which is awesome. And then into the bathroom, well, the closet first, an ironing board, just your typical closet, hairdryer. Then bathroom, there's the light. Single sink, the typical Marriott hair or products, and then the screen that is, or the, sorry, the mirror, obviously I'm tired, that is lit around, which actually I really like in hotels. And then just your typical shower and bathtub. Actually, that's kind of a weird little soap inlet. And then a normal toilet. So this is room 775 at the Key Bridge Marriott in Washington, D.C. So one thing I found, there's either it used to have a balcony maybe, or maybe this is just like a fire door, but there is a door in here. It is locked with a key from the inside, but just kind of random.